Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Peas Plants, Poetry, People and Places, and Prayer. My name is Louis T. Condrick. Today we're going to be talking about maple trees. Botanical names Acer or Aceracea. Maples are hardwood plants used to make floors and furniture, cabinets. Many young animals live off maples. All maples are deciduous, meaning they drop their leaves in the fall. Maple syrup comes from the sugar maple. Maples provide many shade and ornamental trees. We're going to talk about a whole list of them. Acer palmatum is a Japanese ornamental tree. All right, let's get right into the maples. Mountain maple grows in northeast North America in cool climates, usually found near streams, rivers, lakes, and areas of rich, moist soil. This plant in late spring produces a fruit in July. Uh, The trees can reach heights of 100 feet. It is a deciduous tree. The flower's color is yellow. Big leaf maple. These maples grow in western Canada, western United States. This plant likes deep, rich soil, good drainage. This plant can live up to 300 years old. Their seed feed many animals, including squirrels and chipmunks and birds. Very important tree to the wood industry. It's a hardwood tree. It produces for making furniture. These trees make good shade plants, but they are deciduous. Stripped maple. This maple is native to Northeast America, likes rich, moist soil. Stripped maples grow near sugar maples. Flowering early spring, flowers in clusters produce uh, butterfly type fruit. Norway maple origin originated in Europe, brought to the United States. This tree is used in suburban areas near roadways along street sides. It can live in all types of soil, rich and poor, very tolerant to pollution. Will clean the air through the stomata and lenticels. The tree has a nice shape, round, rich, reach heights of 100 feet. Plant will be secrete milky substance when wounded. Okay. Rocky Mountain maples, a smaller version of the maple tree, grows northwest section of North America, both the United States and Canada. This plant likes wet areas and higher elevations. It likes streams, rivers, lakes, pond areas. The Douglas maple is very similar to this plant. The Rocky Mountain maple, produces flowers in May, yellowish green in color. Good wood to burn campfires and fireplaces. This tree only reaches heights of 30 feet. The tree will produce either male or female flowers. Sycamore tree, sycamore maple. This tree was brought to America from Europe. It is used in many cities and towns near roadways. It is not as hardy as the Norway maple, being more susceptible to pathogens and insects. The tree is unique that it could handle salt water conditions, very good for down ashore, shore towns. Good plant for seashore towns, a small maple tree only reaching heights of 30 feet, a good shaped top, round curve, it flowers in clusters, yellow flowers. Vine maple, small to medium maple, grows up to 50 feet high. Vine maple is sometimes twisted, trailing the ground along like a vine. Flowers produce are in cluster, producing fruits that look like butterfly wings. Red maple, the most common type of maple in North America. This tree is an ornamental tree. It grows from Canada to Florida. It grows best in rich, well drained soil. White birch is a companion plant to the red maple. A long-living maple can live up to 100 years. The red maple has a deep red and orange color. The trees in long amount of time can reach 90 feet. The plant branches spread out with a unique design. The branches stick out and drape down. This deciduous tree, both popular red maples, is the dissectum and the bloodgood. Each plant produces male and female flowers. Fruits produced are wing tip shaped, red or yellow. Silver maple. This maple grows from upper Canada to southern Florida on the east coast of North America. They are in abundance in the Ohio River Valley. The tree likes wet, well-drained soil. These trees grow well with the river birch. Silver maple lives up to 110 to 130 years of age. The silver maple burn very easily. The trees will flower early spring. The maple produces the most winged fruit of all maples. In fact, the most seeds come from this maple tree. The wood produced is hard and brittle. The soft silver maple grows up to a height of 100 feet tall. Black maple. This maple grows throughout America from the East Coast to the Midwest. Black maples grow from poor soil to rich, fertile soil, both with good drainage. The black maple could live up to 200 years of age. The plant grows in April and May. Winged fruit are produced in August and September. This tree can grow 80 to 90 feet in height. Lives in the winter. It is deciduous. Trees produce flowers, male or female, in clusters. The color is yellow. Okay. The big tooth maple. Big tooth maple. Maples grow in upper elevated along the Rocky Mountain. It grows in wet areas near streams, rivers, ponds, and lakes. It flowers in April and May. The winged fruit butterflies are produced in August, September. The wood is brown and light. It burns well in wood stoves, fireplaces, and outside campfires. The tree grows almost height of 50 feet. This plant produces male-female flowers. Chalk maple, the smallest maple in eastern North America. It likes wet areas near rivers, streams, ponds, lakes. The maple flower in March. This maple flowers in March and April. The wings fruit is produced in May and June. This is a small tree, only reaching about 40 feet high, with a beautiful round top. The deciduous tree produces a small cluster of flowers and small fruit. Sugar maple. This maple is the most popular in the United States. It stretches from the East Coast to the Midwest. They grow in poor to rich soil, fertile soil, but it has to be well drained. These deciduous trees live in wet areas up to 300 years old. These plants flower early spring, producing fruit, and early summer. The fruit come as a dual wing shape that many birds and animals eat. Sugar maples are a very popular tree for many towns, being planted along streets. These maples make very good shade trees. These trees have developed the maple syrup industry. The sap is collected late winter, then produced to create sugar syrup. The whole process of creating maple syrup was created and developed by the American Indians. Its wood is hard and strong, used to make furniture, cabinets, and many other items. These trees reach heights up to 100 feet. The flowers produce in cluster, either male or female, which have double-winged fruit that is produced. Florida maple. This tree grows in southern United States, comes in medium size, 60 feet tall. The tree is a close cousin to the sugar maple. This maple grows in rich, moist soil, well drained. In early spring, this flower maples early. The flowers are produced in early summer, and the tree produces fruit in late summer, fall. The top of the tree is a good look, round in shape. A box elder. This maple tree is similar to an ash tree. The tree grows all over eastern United States, Canada to the Midwest. It grows near streams, rivers, ponds, and lakes. It likes rich, moist soil, well drained. Box elder tree lives as long as 100 years old. The wood produces weak and light. It grows to heights of 70 feet. This tree brings yellowish flowers, male or female. Flowers come to separate trees. All right, the poem I'm going to read you today is called The Tree. I have tree 1, tree 2, and tree 3. You're getting tree 1. It stands, tree 1. It stands strong and tall when you first go out. You look around, there are many, many about. What I'm talking about is a tree, strong and taller than you and me. Now, a tree has many parts, branches, roots, and even bark. They live in the daylight, they live in the dark. Now, trees can do many things, give us structure and give us shade. For this is the earth that God made. Now we breathe the air that a tree produces, even a bird, a fox, even a moose. Now, a tree gives us shade, the beauty of nature that God has made. A tree gives us medicine, oxygen, and plenty of wood. This is why we can build a way to live that is good. Houses we create, houses galore, beautiful homes evermore. When God created the earth, He created the tree, so life can grow on this planet, as you can see. Next time you see a tree, just say hi. Think, right now I am breathing. I didn't die. And that was tree 1. Right into people and places I want to talk about. You should go out and plant a tree. All right. You want to save this earth for your children. You want to save this earth for yourself. All right. Enough with all this, uh, with them telling you uh, that we're destroying the earth through climate control, climate change, and everything. We're destroying the earth because they're cutting all the trees. We need trees. Trees filter the air 2 different ways, through the stomata of the leaf and lenticels on the bark. They constantly do this. We need trees to live. Trees not only give us shade, but they absorb heat. That's one thing I want to tell you about plants. Plants absorb everything they come in contact with. Everything. So I'll talk to you another time about all this organic stuff, how untrue that is. Trees, we need trees in your property. Plant trees out in the woods. I don't care where you plant a tree. Everybody should plant a tree. Go out and plant one. Trees are good in your house. They filter the air, they keep the air clean, help you breathe. There are many good trees to buy for a house. There are ficus, rubber trees, banyan, fiddle leaf fig, Dracaena marginatas, mass canes, cordycenas, uh, Norfolk Island pine, which actually come from the island of Norfolk, by the way. But we do need trees, and trees in your house will help you breathe better. My prayer, finally, I'm going to end with, good Lord, protect the earth, Don't let us destroy it. Please educate us and guide us. Protect the trees, protect the plants, and protect the animals. Protect us from all this disease. Amen. Thank you, and goodbye.